In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on the Capcut timeline using your iPhone. If you're looking to enhance your editing precision or just need a broader view of your project timeline, then you're in the right place. Learning to navigate Capcut effectively can significantly streamline your video editing process, making it both efficient and enjoyable. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open your project in Capcut. This is your starting point for accessing the timeline where your clips reside. Once your project is loaded, you'll see the timeline displayed at the bottom of the screen, which provides a comprehensive view of all your video elements. Next, lightly place two fingers on the timeline. This is key to initiating the zoom function, allowing you to control the view of your timeline. Make sure your fingers are positioned comfortably on the timeline, as this will make it easier to perform the zooming action smoothly. To zoom in, gently pinch outwards by spreading your fingers apart on the screen. This simple gesture will magnify the timeline, giving you an up-close view of your clips. Zooming in can be particularly helpful when you need to make detailed edits or ensure precise cuts between clips. You'll notice the clips elongate, giving you more room to make those precise adjustments. Conversely, if you want to zoom out and gain a broader perspective of your timeline, simply pinch inwards by bringing your fingers together on the screen. This action compresses the timeline, allowing you to see more clips in your project at once. Zooming out is beneficial when you want to get a general overview of your video sequence, ensuring everything flows together seamlessly. The ability to adjust the zoom on your Capcut timeline doesn't just make editing tasks easier, it gives you the flexibility to switch between a detailed view and a wide-angle perspective quickly. This dynamic approach can save you time and effort, improving your overall editing workflow. To wrap up, mastering the zoom in and zoom out features on your Capcut timeline is essential for efficient video editing on your iPhone. Whether you're closely examining a tricky edit spot or reviewing the entire project layout, these gestures are your go-to tools. Keep practicing these steps to become more adept at adjusting your view and enhancing your editing capabilities. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you navigate your Capcut projects with greater ease and precision. Don't forget to experiment with these gestures to find what works best for your editing style. Until next time, happy editing.